Thank you for purchasing this decorative blackout curtain rod. Please verify that all components mentioned in the instructions are included. Using a measuring tape, mark the center point of your window. Then measure and mark 2 inches from the outer edge of the window trim on each side. Fully loosen the fastening screws on each mounting bracket before removing or installing the rod. Mount the first bracket on the left side of the window using anchors if required. Begin by screwing into the top hole. Do not fully tighten the bottom screws in order to allow the bracket to swivel. Repeat the same steps for the second bracket on the right side of the window. Ensure the right side bracket is level with the left side. Insert the rod through the curtain grommets and slide the rod through the brackets on both sides. Then slide 2 grommets along the side bracket, placing 1 grommet behind the lock screw hole. Then insert the lock screw. Extend the curtain rod to the required width, then tighten the fastening screw and add the decorative finial. Repeat the same steps on the other side. If your rod is fully extended to cover your entire window, it is recommended to add a center bracket for added support. Ensure that the curtain rod is level, then tighten all mounting screws. Finally, enjoy the decorative and blackout features provided by your new curtain rod. Another innovation by Commonwealth Home Fashions.